many people are saying that 6G-PHY is kind of an evolution from 5G rather than a complete revolution. But we will see that how things proceed. And but I think current understanding is that several companies are preferring some, let's say, some smaller adjustment than complete changes.
Yeah, so we're excited to see the physical layer and the RAN really start to transform more than it has for a long time. It's been very kind of fixed and heavily defined, and I think we're starting to see now ability for machine learning to really optimize a lot of different layers of the stack, directly based on data. So there's just a lot more flexibility when you look at this as a machine learning problem. And then also as you look at things like machine learning in spectrum sensing and in ISAC, there's a lot of, I think, opportunity for the RAN to provide this awareness and information about what's going on in the world around it.
One big topic about the 6G is bring the intelligence to this cellular communication system. Talking about the AI, I think the data will be the most crucial parts that will bring the challenge to this system, because I think that the data, that how you acquire this data and the data ownership is quite controversial issues. So I think the 3GPP standardization now is working on that, and this will rely on the partnership and also the whole ecosystem to work on this data set acquisition and also define a new framework to collect data.
So we hope that from the physical layer point of view, as will be an important aspect to be identical for both the terrestrial and satellite network. So we are pushing to have a single radio access network that will support both type of connectivity. So from the user perspective, will be a kind of seamless connectivity. If there is a terrestrial network, will be via terrestrial network. If you are in a satellite coverage, a satellite will bring back to you in connected mode.
The areas that we are most interested in at the moment are ORAN, Open RAN and interoperability, which we think is the right vehicle to bring control plane to aerospace networks, digital twins and sort of like training of algorithms with synthetic data and accurate high-fidelity representations of physics in the network, which are super important for aerospace and non-terrestrial networks. And now we're starting to see a lot more traction with use of AI.
6G networks will be deployed in the era when the quantum threat might be realized. So it's very important that the 6G networks are secure against the threat of quantum computers, so that data can remain safe when it's being communicated across these networks in the future.
For the defense sector, very much emphasize on resiliencies and security. So we look into ways on how we can make the network more resilient. For example, against anti-jammers, be it deliberate or non-deliberate, we want to make sure that the last man in the war fields is able to receive the communications. This is very key, especially for them to protect their lives. Security is another angle, because with the integration of the cyber domains, we were looking at ways we could again be able to detect as early as possible some of these threats that's infiltrating the network and then eliminate them. It's by no means a trivial task, but we hope to collaborate with the industry, the academia, as well as the standard bodies to advance these together.
Whenever there is a technology refresh or a new disruptive technology, the designers and the scientists obviously face multiple challenges in terms of designing the technology itself and doing the test part of it. So these are all going to happen, but these technologies bring an additional challenge of security along with the whole thing. And in the morning presentations today, we also saw how a lot of innovation is happening in the quantum space, particularly quantum communications, to enable security. And that's an area, again, security is an area where Keysight plays a very important role, both in terms of file-layer security and also cyber security. And we provide solutions which are going to help our customers and partners together to implement the key aspect of security in these technologies as they become more pervasive.
6G will be the first time when you bring AI together with connectivity and really design really a better world for a sustainability for new applications. So we talk about a lot of applications. It's also beyond. It's going to be beyond just a handphone. It'll be autonomous vehicle. It'll be autonomous platform. It'll be satellite. We hope that this is really time that connectivity will make a difference, and for the first time that connectivity for everyone in the world, and it's not just for some rich country.